Hey people, it's Rich Bennett from the Ontario Regiment Museum again, and today what we're going to be doing is taking our T34-85 85mm rounds and putting them inside the tank. Now these are training rounds. The brass projectile casing is empty. There's nothing in it, no firing mechanism, no primer, no nothing, no powder, but we do have the actual training projectile shell on the top. So it is the authentic length, the authentic shell. It does weigh quite a bit, so you only carry one of them out at a time. We only load one in a tank at a time, and what we're going to show you is where we store some of these rounds inside the tank. So stick around, I'm going to get back into the tank and see how we can manage. Alright, so now that we've got ourselves inside the T-34 with one of our training projectiles, we're going to get it loaded into the rack, the ammunition rack in the back of the turret bustle. So they are a little heavy. It is a little awkward when you have the gun and no seats to step on, so there's not too much room in here. So what we'll do is we'll swing this around, get down a little bit, around so that I can step down here. Now that shell is all the way in the back. Each shelf takes 3 rounds, 12 rounds in the back in total. Off to the my left-hand side here is another rack for 4 more shells. If you can see it, you might have to come around the side and point down, but we do have extra ammo storage underneath the turret ring. There's a couple more shells sitting there. And once we get the seats and everything else in, it'll look a lot more complete than what it is now. There's a lot of spaces for ammunition in this tank. Personally, I can't believe how much machine gun ammunition this carries. Over 22 boxes of round drum ammunition for their machine gun fits in this tank. It's quite a lot of ammunition for such a small tank, but a very effective vehicle. So if you like this video, keep looking for more, and we'll see you when you come back. It's Rich Bennett again at the Ontario Regiment Museum. Come visit us at tankmuseum.ca or come visit us on Facebook.